Welcome to today's video. We will explore keyword mapping, a powerful SEO process that connects specific keywords to specific pages on your website to improve rankings and avoid content overlap. Keyword mapping is the process of assigning target keywords to specific pages on your site, ensuring each page is optimized for a unique search intent. The main goal is to organize keyword targeting, prevent cannibalization, and ensure your content covers all relevant search intents. Without keyword mapping, multiple pages may compete for the same keyword, hurting your SEO. Mapping ensures clarity in your SEO strategy. You can create a spreadsheet or use SEO tools to assign each keyword to the page that best matches the user's search intent. If you have a shoe store website, buying running shoes might be mapped to your product page, while Best Running Shoes 2025 goes to your blog review page. Keyword mapping improves SEO efficiency, boosts click-through rates, and provide a better user experience by matching content with the intent. Tools like SEMrush, Ahref, and Google Sheets can help you organize and track keyword assignments easily. Avoid assigning too many keywords to one page or targeting the same keyword across multiple pages without strategy. Keyword mapping is about assigning the right keywords to the right pages, avoiding competition between your own content and improving your SEO results. Thank you for watching. Start mapping your keywords today to build a solid SEO structure. For more SEO tips, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.